everybody, and it's been a few days, so let me get my oil. Here is my rosemary oil. Now you can strain this and everything, or you can use actually the herbs and all to still cook with. So I'm going to make some chicken later on, and I'm going to show you this. Also, if you wanted to let it sit for like a couple of weeks, then you have a stronger rosemary oil, and you can use that like in your lotions, as a hair serum, all kinds of different things. I'm just going to use a little bit to cook with, and I think I'm just going to let this sit a little while longer because rosemary is good for your hair and everything. So I want to make a rosemary serum to help show y'all how I use it for my hair. But yeah, this is awesome. So I do have up more rosemary. That smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. That is the flavors of the olive oil and the rosemary together. Yeah, definitely. It's something good to cook with, use, and then use it on your hair too. So, there we go. My rosemary oil. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all, and we'll see you on the next video.